Retired Dr. Kizza Besigye, Hajj Obedi Lutale, and Captain Ola Oyadenish appeared at High Court Criminal Division in Kampala on charges of treason and misprision of treason in the case presided over by Judge Emmanuel Baguma. Upon resuming the hearing, the prosecution disclosed evidence to Dr. Kizza Besigye and Hajj Obedi Lutale, including electronic evidence, statements from the two investigating officers, and other evidential materials. Court had earlier directed Dr. Kizza Besigye and Lutale to select lawyers from the state brief scheme to represent them. However, Dr. Besigye told court that although the list of more than 700 state brief lawyers had been availed unto them, they have not been given sufficient time to review them and to make an informed choice.
An application that directly touches on the matter before this court. We think it would be an injustice to the people of Uganda pay for lawyers for us when we are able to meet the requirements of our representation.
Dr. Besigye asked court to grant them 2 weeks to scrutinize the list of advocates and assess their suitability before making a selection. However, the prosecution objected to the request.
And if the court has information beyond the fact that they were verified as lawyers in terms of what they have experience in.
Dr. Kizza Besigye also raised concerns over the delay in resolving the issue of legal representation, as well as the conditions under which they are being held at Luzira Government Prison.
Which is before the High Court. This High Court, we've promised to follow up, find out what is happening, please. It's an application that was filed last month.
After hearing submissions from both sides, Judge Baguma informed the accused that the Deputy Registrar shortlisted 3 state brief advocates for their consideration. These include Julius Serwambala, Sylvia Namaweje, and Sala Awero. Judge Baguma nevertheless granted the accused 2 weeks to review the list of state brief lawyers before making their final choice. Court further directed the accused to use the same period to study the prosecution evidence, together with their selected lawyers. Court resumed for hearing on 28 July 2026. As was the case during the previous court sitting, Dr. Besigye and Hajj Obedi Lutale appeared without legal representation, while Captain Ola Oyadenish was represented by his lawyer, Deborah Namamonde. Viola Nance Subuga, UBC News.